Hello everyone, welcome back. This video tutorial describes fixing no sound or sound missing after Windows 11 update. First method is click Start Settings. Click Troubleshoot. Click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Run under Playing Audio. Second method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound. Video and Game Controllers. Right-click Audio Device. Click Update Driver. Click Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Third method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Right-click Audio Device. Click Update Driver. Click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select High Definition Audio Device. Click Next. Restart system. Fourth method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Right-click Audio Deeps. Click on Install Device. Restart system. Fifth method is type CCPL in Windows search bar. Click CCPL. Right-click, check Show Disabled Devices and check Show Disconnected Devices. Select your speaker. Click Set Default. Click OK. Sixth method is type CCPL in Windows search bar. Click MMC's CPL. Select Speaker. Click Properties. Click Enhancements tab. Check Disable all enhancements. Click Apply. Click OK. Seventh method is type ME's CPL in Windows search bar. Click MSE's CPL. Select Speaker. Click Properties. Click Advanced tab. Test one by one in the drop-down list. Any drop-down lists working fine? Click Apply. Click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.